Hello everyone, my name is Preetham and I am from Bangalore and I work for a company called VegaVox IT Solution. And I would like to share some of my views on the Enilion online training. It has been a great journey from the day I joined the course for Big Data Hadoop with R. The course has a very systematic approach of concepts that are being taught by the coach. Basically, big data deals with a huge data sets, that is in terms of volume, velocity and variety, with the various formats in terms of terabytes, hexabytes and petabytes. So juggling with these data sets plays an important role as to how this can be managed. Big data is one-stop solution for this. With the various concepts like Hadoop, MapReduce, Pig, Hive, HBase, we can solve the complex issues effectively. According to the latest survey, around 90% of the data in the world today has been created from last 2 years. In order to put this right on track, MNCs are working on it. There is a huge demand for the data scientists in the market as well. By taking all this into consideration, Enilion provided great insights on working with big data. Let us consider a small example. When we shop a product online, we notice that the recommended product will be displayed on top of it. This happens because based on the customer's rating, features and quality of the product, the recommended process will be considered. As a data scientist, we should have a predict and analyze the things for the betterment of the company. Most importantly, we should have a good statistical analysis for making a predictive analysis. With the experienced faculty, we can get hands-on experience in dealing with big data concepts. With respect to this, Enilion has provided good faculty to go more in depth on all the concepts with very good examples. The Enilion team is very friendly and I thank to Mr. Ashwin for providing me the opportunity to share some of my views about the course. Thank you one and all.